Demigod of Nails here again, continuing the 101 manicure series with two different types of cuticle softeners I like to use in my practice. The viscosity differ heavily. You see the more creamier one, you see the more fluid one, and then these are the four different pushers I'll be using just to show you. One's an orange wood stick, the next is a typical metal pusher, and this one is my least favorite one. I do not like the silicone ones. I feel like they do nothing and have no effect. Now the orange wood stick, as I'm using here, I do like them a lot. They are really beneficial for multiple reasons. Is one of my favorites because it is individual to each client, being disposable and relatively cheap. This one is my favorite. I like the metal pusher one. It's on the cheaper side because you can just buy it and then disinfect it between each use. And look how it gets all of the cuticle, the growth, the extra skin very easily. It picks it right up. And this is low-key my favorite cuticle softener. Blue Cross, it's been around for forever. Yeah, I don't like the silicone one. As I told you before, it's trash. It doesn't do anything. I'm sitting here reflecting on my life and I'm like, you know what? I tried to show y'all. I think I showed y'all how trash it was. So I just moved on to the orange wood stick and continued getting those cuticles. I wanted to use the cream again so I can show y'all how I like to use it. So you tap it into the cuticle, make sure it's really absorbed and in there. And I'm just pushing back again with my favorite kind of pusher, the metal pusher. Pushing down and around, and you have to make sure that each of your strokes, each time you go into the cuticle with whatever pusher you decide to use, is impactful and intentional. Be intentional with what you're trying to push back, what you're trying to get off. I like to do two things. I like to take some of the excess product off as well as get that skin pushed out. Next up, we'll be using those nippers. See you tomorrow.
Do my nails and don't mess us up.